Hello everyone, how are you doing? I hope you are doing well. So welcome back to my channel, the Programmer Tutorials channel. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. And I am happy to welcome you in my new course series Python from Zero to Hero, which is a free Python programming course, and this is the first episode, which is an introduction. So welcome to this Python programming course. In this course we will be covering the fundamentals of Python programming language. Whether you are a complete beginner or have some experience with programming, this course will be perfect for you. In this course we will answer the following questions: what is Python? What is the course content? What is the needed level to take this course? And what is the course outcome? First, let's go with what's Python. So, Python is a popular high-level programming language used for a variety of purposes, such as web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and scientific computing. It is known for its simplicity, ease of use, and readability. Python is a versatile language that can be used for a wide range of applications, making it a popular choice among developers and organizations. So, what is our course content? In this course, we will cover the basics of Python programming, including variables, data types, conditional statements, loops, functions, and more. Each video will focus on a single topic, making it easy for you to follow along and understand. And before we continue, let's stop and read this programming code. And if you are a new programmer, this will not make sense for you, but if you have some journey with programming, you will understand this. So programming isn't about what you know, it is about what you can figure out. When you will become a programmer, you will understand and you will appreciate this code. So what is the needed level for this course? Even if you have never written a line of code before, you will find this course easy to follow. We will start with the basics and gradually build up your knowledge and understanding of Python. Our videos will be short, straightforward, and easy to understand. So, what is the course outcome? And before we jump to the course outcome, let's see what is a Python developer's salary in the USA. So according to Glassdoor, the national average salary for a Python developer is $99,488 in the United States. The outcome of this course. By the end of this course, you will have a solid foundation in Python programming and you will be able to write your own programs, analyze data, and build your own applications. So let's get started and learn Python together.